Did you know that 97% of customers regularly search for online reviews? 70% say online reviews influences their buying decisions. What does this mean for your business? The more positive online reviews you have, the more likely people will buy from you. The solution? The Schema WordPress plugin helps you get more buys. It makes it easy for customers to leave reviews of you on Google, Yelp, and Facebook. The plugin prompts people to leave you reviews on these sites and more. Thus, you'll increase good reviews of you on these sites. Potential customers will then see more good reviews of you when they search for you. And they'll buy from you over your competitors as a result. Visit noticewebsites.com/setup to see how easy the plugin is to use. Do you have other ways to get online reviews? Share them below.